Next up, really cool project. This we're calling the Scrambler 392. It's based off of a 392 Wrangler. Of course, those are all 4-door. We turned this into a 2-door. Left the wheelbase the same, 40-inch tires. Light weighted the vehicle by taking off a lot of the pieces we didn't need. Carbon fiber hood, fenders, the whole quarter panel. This also features AccuAir's new air suspension. I'll demonstrate. Has about 5 inches of travel or movement to it up and down. And then the back of the vehicle, which is sort of a truck style. In fact, we used the last 10 inches of a Gladiator pickup to create the back, including the tailgate. 392 Scrambler. So this project actually starts out with a little bit of a story. 2021, we released a very special color for Wrangler. It was Tuscadero Pink. And that vehicle, we had anticipated it would do about 5,000 units. And we've been asked over and over for a follow-up. That's what this project is. This is a really special color, a follow-up that we're looking at. And then the vehicle it's applied to, pretty special vehicle, it's a 4xe Rubicon. We've sprinkled a few pieces on it from AEV, their front bumper with a shorter hoop, the worn winch, lighting down below. The tire is a 37-inch tire on a AEV beadlock wheel. Then moving down the side, it's one of my favorite combinations. It's the half doors with the one-touch power top. It just opens the vehicle up so nicely. And then you can easily close it back down. One other great feature of this, it has the AccuAir full air suspension on it. This is a new product and we're using it on this vehicle as well. It has about a 5.5-inch range to it. I'll just punch the button here. Air down.